What's up, everybody? It's Matt at American Mustangs. It's been a while trying to get through winter, but here we go. Nightmist Blue 67 GT350, and it is gorgeous. It's a factory Nightmist Blue car, not a color change. Mag stars with the big letter Goodyears. Stunning car. It's got great gaps. Killer reflection in the paint. Go ahead and pop the trunk while we're back here. Full-size spare. Replica car. It's got the original jack. It's dated 67. And the lug wrench. Nightmist Blue 4-speed. Owner's manual. Nice crisp body lines here with the date codes. It's got all dated car-like glass. Go to the interior. Interior is beautiful. Deluxe interior. Nice clean door jambs everywhere. Nice deluxe seats. Sign dash. It does have the correct gauge pod. They've added a gauge, so it's oil pressure, water temp, and amps. Stuart Warner. It's got original seat belts. You can see the tags, roll bar, shoulder harnesses, rear seat belts, fold down rear seat. Doors shut great. They did add an AC hood to this car. Looks really good, actually. Inboards. Just trying to get all the angles of the body. All right. The car has a 347 stroker, which is a big upgrade. Oil cooler's been added, and what's cool about it is there's a S1MS Cobra adapter. There's your Shelby VIN. Cobra intake, Le Mans carb, original Shelby tag. K-VINs double stamped under there. You can see one of them right there. Very cool. Hood shuts great. Let's fire it up. .8K tack dash, 140 mile/hour speedometer. Super clean dash pad. Let me find the keys. Blinkers work. Wipers work. Oil pressure. Very responsive throttle. Door panel on driver's side. Super nice and clean. It's got a factory style exhaust system on it. Aside from custom made stainless headers, but it still has the transverse muffler and the resonators. Lifters. Car's running great. See if we can take it for a drive. Alright, we're here in the Nightmist Blue GT350 4-speed, and we're going to do a little in-car drive video. We've already done a few passes, so the car's got some temperature in it already. So let's go. Clutch feels great. Shifter feels really good. Feel that 389 gear. I'm in second gear. It's low, normal. All your gauge lights are working. You see the green illumination. Fuel gauge is working. Speedometer is working. The clock is ticking. Tack's working. 80. Oil pressure looks good. Amp gauge looks good. So everything's working. First gear. There's second. There's third. Fourth. Car pulls really hard. That 347 stroker is exactly the power that these cars need. So I'm cruising about 60, about 2,700 RPM. Car does have power steering, power disc brakes, easy to steer with one hand. The car tracks really nice and straight. It doesn't want to wander all over the road. Going up to the stoplight, downshift to third. That felt good. Light turned green, so we'll stay in third. See if we can get around some of this lap traffic and I'll open it back up. Alright, we're in fourth gear, going about 2,500 RPM, about 45 mile an hour. Fourth gear has plenty of power. Power in the engine and a 389 gear. That's about 60 at about 4,000 RPM. Alright, downshift to third. Downshift to second. Downshift to first. Alright, come to a stop. It doesn't want to load up, act like it wants to die, anything. Car's in great tune. First gear. Somebody turning in front of us. Go back to second. Literally needs nothing. Bottom of this car is beautiful as well. I have pictures and a video of that. Like I said, first video we've been able to do for a while. There's still a little snow on the ground, but we didn't have to go through any of it. But we're back at the shop. If you're interested in this 67 Nightmist GT350 4-speed, call that number 304-731-6497. Thanks for watching.